Ayla, can you tell me more about deep learning?
Sure, Cornelius. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning that is inspired by how similarly the human brain is organized. As we learn, neurons in our brains are activated and connections between neurons are made. These connections are called neural networks.
So, in deep learning, a computer learns by seeing many examples and extracting features from those examples to classify things or make predictions?
That's correct. For example, a computer may be assigned the task of identifying birds in photos. This requires seeing many photos of birds.
And what is the first layer of neurons in the artificial neural network?
The first layer of neurons in the artificial neural network is the input layer. Images of birds are fed to the input layer, and at this layer, the network may extract features from pictures like the pixels in the image. After processing, the input layer neurons transfer information to the hidden layers of the artificial neural network via channels.
How many hidden layers should the artificial neural network have?
Artificial neural networks can have one layer, but for it to be a deep neural network, it should have at least 2 layers. Information continues to be transferred to other hidden layers in the network. Eventually, the information reaches the output layer, and the image is classified based on the learning that took place in the neural network.
That's fascinating, Ayla. What are some examples of deep learning applications?
Well, Cornelius, deep learning is present in many applications that we use daily. For example, Amazon uses deep learning techniques to make recommendations for purchases based on our prior purchases and viewing. Voice assistants, like my friends Siri and Alexa, also employ deep learning techniques. Deep learning is also used in identifying the location of pictures.
And what are some potential limitations of deep learning?
Some potential limitations include the need for very large data sets to train the model, powerful graphical processing units to process the data, and deep learning models can take hours to months to train.
Thank you for explaining deep learning, Ayla. I appreciate your expertise.
You're welcome, Cornelius. It's always a pleasure to share my knowledge with you.